we want to show you how to run your system manually without having to wait for the 15-minute increments also. So if you want to run your system right now, maybe to check your sprinklers or anything that's happening, all you have to do is go up to this little right arrow that has a hand on it. If you hold that down, it'll start, it'll give you which station it's starting at, and then it will start that station. And then it will go through the whole system, each station at a time. Then to stop it, you can just go to system off. It'll stop your whole system. And then if you want to just do one station, you would turn it down to manual, pick which station you want, let's say number 2, and you go back to run. And then this little blinking sprinkler on here says that that station is now running. For more information on any of these things, you could go to hunter.com and check out the systems there, or you can refer to your manual.